Hello. I moved. Hey, what's up you guys? Oh, this is wow. So welcome back to my channel, everyone. Hello, if you're new here, my name is Jordan. Hi, MTV. Welcome to my crib. Yes, subscribe to my channel. Just moved back to my campus. I thought I would just give you guys like a little update on my life. So I moved back to Toronto. I live in Toronto. I got my own apartment. Look at me being an adult. House tour for you guys. I also made iced coffee. Who knew that all you had to do was add coffee to ice? I mean, it's not great. I don't know. Lovely door to greet you into my home. You walk in, you see the kitchen. The kitchen is where I cook. You know, we got, it's not warm, okay?
You know, good safety first there.
A stove thing, a toaster, a Keurig with all my coffees, Tim Hortons, cause I'm Canadian. Got a nice convection oven. And over here we have my chicken that's defrosted because it's my dinner tonight. Here we have some rotting bananas. I should probably eat these soon. They're a little mushy. Then here we have my utensils. Wow, very nice. Here's the fridge. Wow. She is Sister Stocks. And then we go to the right and there's this beautiful living arrangement. That was my ankle. Little chair that you can sit in. Then we have a computer where I edit things, but I forgot my keyboard, so it's basically trash because I left it in my hometown because I'm stupid. They're inspirational, you know, journal. I haven't used it yet because sister's busy. Then, yeah, and some candles, even though I'm not allowed candles. I'm a rebel. We have records, nice little carpet, nice little foot. And then here's my guitar that I haven't played in like 5 years. Should get back on that. I only brought a couple like of my favorite vinyls. You know, got some Halsey and some Troye Sivan, and then got a real plant right here in my little record player. I'm a hip teen. Here is my couch, and I have a TV where I didn't even point her out. Look at her living her best life. But here is more records. You can see my reflection. What's good? And then here's my tree. What should we name him? I bought him from IKEA. But that's the living room, guys. Wow. Here is my room. On the wall, I have an assortment of Polaroids that I've taken over like multiple years. Cute, it adds a nice little touch and reminds you that you're not alone and you still have friends. Okay, so like what I like to do, life hack, make my room like not as depressing as my life is at school. So I add, you know, the basic string lights. There she is, the palm tree. And yeah, it makes it like less sad. We go over here, here's an Urban Outfitters bag because yeah, I shop there too much. Anyway, open this up and it's a closet where I don't live in anymore. Okay, joke. On the other side, we have another fake plant because I can't take care of myself, so how would I take care of a plant? And also we have textbooks and more plants and a little Polaroid of my dog. If you look over here, we have my little makeup in this thing. It looks awful because I haven't organized it yet. Back behind the bed, I have a whole bunch of drawers where I keep other t-shirts that I have thrifted and stuff. I think that's done. Honestly, guys, I'm really sorry if that was boring, but I really enjoy updating you guys on my life because I hope you guys know that I'm a human being. Stuff happens in life and I just got really caught up in moving around, organizing things, which clearly I'm not too organized, gotta get on that. But yeah, I'm really sorry that this video is really short. The apartment's not that big, so I don't really know what else to show you. This is just my existence right now. But in all seriousness, I do plan on getting more better content than this. I promise to you guys, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Bye guys.